In reality, I think we will augment our intelligence using artificial intelligence. There's a speech recognition engine which is there. For example, as a recruiter, if I talk out, I want, say, a person with these kind of skills. It will recognize my speech intelligence. It will develop a Boolean. There are technologies already existing, right? It will map the people who will fit on those criteria. Tools like virtual interviews. We'll set up the virtual conversations, right? Get onto the interview process, and then ultimately hire and onboard people, right? So it will be a seamless experience using technology, and those technologies exist today. So if you're leveraging the tech to find the best talent for the employer and vice versa, by the way, the smartest recruiter and hiring manager would start gathering resumes, performance reviews, work, any other information about highly successful people that already work for them, and plug that algorithm to find out what you are looking for. Imagine in a hiring process when bots are sourcing profiles, algorithm running will predict the fitment, design question and a video interview, and even assessing the candidate based on the problem solved. Right? So that's the ultimate, if you ask me, the goal of AI and ML in hiring.